water treatment. So I went ahead and poured the rice water that I already pre-made into this spray bottle. Hey! Editor Alana here. Hey y'all, this is the rice water video I was talking about, coming at you live. And I know what you're thinking, you just not gonna show us how you made the water? What? How are we supposed to follow? Don't worry, I got the tutorial for you. I got the clip, I got the receipts. Don't worry, I got you. Don't forget to like, comment, and then subscribe to my channel for more content. Roll the clip.
Alright guys, so what you're going to need is rice of your choice, a scent of your choice, a container, and then the sink, but some people use purified water. First you're going to pour in 1 pot rice. This is just long and grain rice from Walmart. You're going to add water to clean your rice, because I like my rice clean. So you just mix it up with your hand or utensil to get rid of the impurities, and make sure you don't overflow your container because it will definitely rise up if you dip your hand in there. This is just getting rid of the impurities that you might not want in your hair. Then you're just going to drain your rice. Be careful not to let the rice jump all into your sink, so I'll use my hand to just block out the rice. Alright, then you're just going to add the water, the real water that's going to be a part of your rice water. It can either be purified or non-purified. It's really your choice. I just used tap water. I didn't really see the difference between the two when I did it the first time. Then you're going to add the scent of your choice. So I like fresh scents, so I went ahead and took a clementine from my fridge and just started peeling off the edges. I put the peels in the water. It really gives it this nice orangey smell to it. But if you guys want, you can use peppermint oil, tea tree, essential oils, lavender, anything that you want it to smell like, because rice water can be very, very stinky. Just as apple cider vinegar was, it can really have a strong scent that you don't want in your hair. So I would advise just adding whatever scent of your choice. Then you're just going to let your rice water sit overnight, either in the fridge or on the counter.
Alright, now that you know how to bake it, let's get into this video. Roll it. What I'm gonna do is first I'm gonna take down these braids. I actually have one of the EZ Detanglers.
Oh my god! Wow!
It really is really cool. It really does, you know, it really is bow-legged. It really glides through your hair. I never had any problems with it, and I'm in love with this new brush. I actually have a Denman brush, but this is like so much faster. Highly recommend this. So I'm gonna take this down, and then I'm going to divide it always into 4 sections, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I apply my rice water. It's great to apply at the roots, to tips, to help detangles. It's really smooth, really moisturizing actually. And it actually helps me detangle a lot faster before I get in the shower. Let me know if you guys detangle before the shower or after the shower. If you take me a long, periodically time to detangle in the shower, I used to fight with my wife and call him. This home has been through a long fight. Alright, so we gonna just detangle off camera because it'll take a long time, but you know, it'll only be a second for y'all, so. And we're back. This is the shrunken, wet, you know. Definitely not detangled, but you know, we gonna try our best, that's what I said. I actually don't know how long my hair is. I don't straighten my hair. I don't ever recall a time that I have. So I've never had a perm and I've never had a relaxer, so I hope this rice water does something to it. And you can just sprinkle it down here real quick to see, like, this is also my wet hair, so I have no idea. So I'm gonna go ahead and split my hair into 4 and we'll be back. I usually start with the back and I'm gonna work to the front. Well, I think I do a pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 amps in my bank account.
Stop it.
I'm gonna cut that out. I'm gonna do, get this mug soaked, spray it on there. It smells like oranges and rice, because obviously I put a lot of orange peels in there so it can deduct that gross smell. I get really deep on the root. Detangling, start at the roots. I'm just gonna show you guys how cool this brush is. The rice water really made it easier to detangle my hair. It's like really bow-legged, and I'm really just gliding through my hair with not that much effort right now.
Oh my god!
Come on, girl. Come through. Curl pattern coming in. Come through, boo. Come through.
Come to way.
It's not gonna be the real test. Remember, no product, just this rice water.
And oh.
Look at that, guys. Rice water out here moisturizing. Some bougie looking sections. Here is the damage. Damage shedding. I know y'all like to see that because I do personally. So, not too shabby.